Hello fellow THF YouTubers. Today we've got a 2017 Ford F-150 that had these ugly factory halogen headlights. Guys, if you have these factory headlights, you're gonna want to change to these headlights with the LED strip. They're beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. So what we're going to do is we're gonna show you what they look like in the dark. We're gonna show you with the LED kit, the switchbacks, and we're gonna get it pulled in, so let's check it out. Get it pulled in for you guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on our blinkers. We're gonna turn on our daytime running lights and our fog lights. Look how beautiful this is. I mean, your headlight will completely change at night. When somebody looks in their rear view mirror, they're gonna see these DRL strips with the matching fog lights and the switchback. Now these switchbacks are called Fireball switchbacks. Now what the Fireball switchbacks from the THF brand is, it's a built-in resistors. So no more wiring in your resistors anymore. All you have to do is completely plug and play. So remember, you can check it out on the website. Go to your bulb size 3157 or 7443, choose the Fireball switchbacks, and you do not have to select resistors because, again, guys, we're the first ones to release a fully built-in canvas switchback bulb without those gold resistors. Check it out. So what we're going to do right now real quick is we are going to show you what it looks like, the beam pattern against the wall. Very bright. Check it out. Yeah. The customer actually opted to get the high beam LED as well. Look at that spread. Very bright. All right. But guys, if you're interested in this product, you can change your headlights from those boring ones to these new ones. We get it installed. It takes roughly about an hour to install, wire in and everything. Visit us at the HID Factor, guys. Thank you and have a blessed day.